From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the NASDAQ 100. The NASDAQ 100 did initially try to rally during the trading session, and it broke well above the 25,000 level. However, we have since seen a pretty significant drop in the markets as, quite frankly, I think the jobs number had people somewhat concerned. It wasn't bad enough to have the Federal Reserve running out there to cut rates as soon as humanly possible. Remember, Wall Street doesn't run on the economy. It runs on loose and cheap and easy money. If it's not going to get that, a lot of traders don't really know what to do. That being said, it is only a matter of time before we bounce, and the fact that we are currently testing the 24,250 level is worth noting, because if we break down below there, it could be another 1,000 point drop. It's a little early to call that, but it is something that's in the forefront of my mind as the market continues to see a lot of questions asked about the overall upward trajectory. The 200-day EMA is, of course, running higher towards the 23,250 level, so a pullback to that area would just line up quite nicely. With this, I think we've got a little bit of a correction possible, but I'm not looking at this as the end of the uptrend. Quite frankly, I think we've got a situation where maybe we got a little bit ahead of ourselves, despite the fact that NVIDIA had a very strong earnings report during the overnight session just after the bell on Wednesday. I have no interest in shorting this market. Quite frankly, the NASDAQ 100 isn't even built to fall. So with that being said, I'm waiting to see some type of bounce that I can buy on the right-hand side of the V pattern.